Welcome back to the Tourette Turner's YouTube channel. I said in my last video that this is something a little bit special. It's another kit I get from CS Crafts up in Scotland. I try to get 95% of my kits from CS Crafts because they are extremely trustworthy. The delivery is excellent. I can order on a Sunday and I get them on a Tuesday. Most of my orders are done Sundays. So I'm going to make a crochet hook. Now with this kit you get 8 different size hooks on like a beano fitting. They range from 3mm up to 7mm. So you've got a complete set of your hooks. And all of the customers I have for these crochet hooks, they put them into a glasses case. So that's what I'm going to be turning now. I'm going to be using orange wood for this project, and I'll just get ready. I'm not using the air shield today because it is very noisy. Here we go. Taking my time to enjoy myself. I've got no rush. This was intended to be a live stream, but I came in this morning to settle the camera and the PC, get it all sorted. I've got a PC down here in the workshop. And he decided it wasn't going to work. But I have had this particular tower since about 2010. So I can't really grumble. In fact, it's earlier than that. I think it's about 2009. However long I've had it for. It's done me proud. It's been a good computer. Yeah. So it is. Everybody been up to on the bank holiday weekend. I had a pop-up shop outside a local butchers and farm shop right on the main road, in the town centre, right next to the main bus stop, coming from Nottingham going towards Derby. And it was well worth it. So if there's anybody watching this who are quite local, they're not Nottingham and Derby, then try and get to the butcher's Long Eaton. It's in the former Raw Coast store. The Gold Coast for many years, and then for just over a year went into being Poundland, and when that closed, the farm shop and butchers opened. Well worth a visit. I can highly recommend their beef burgers. All made fresh on premises. Proper meat, no rust or anything like that. Nice easy day today. Using some chestnut friction polish on this one. As the name suggests, the more friction you put onto the piece of work, the more shine you get. You do have to be careful because sometimes you can press on so hard you can actually feel the heat coming from it. Oh, look at that. The grain on this wood is absolutely gorgeous. And that is a finished handle turned, ready for assembly. But I'll do a short for the assembly. The grain on this wood is absolutely gorgeous. Until the next video, thank you for watching. This has been the Threads Turner, and thank you very much.